That's probably one of the loudest kicker bills I've ever heard for the subs, man. These are pretty crazy.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Come in. Whoa, these are big speakers.
Yeah,
These wow. So what is your name real quick and what's in here first? Go ahead.
So, I'm Edwardo, and we got a 6-speaker solo Access 15. And I'm pushing it with 2 sound digital 20K.
So 1 per 3?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, but we're only pumping about 700-800 watts per amp right now.
Oh, do you have them turned down or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a 6th order.
Yes. Wow.
Who built this? This looks good.
I built it all.
Nice. What are these subs rated? I don't think I've ever heard these yet.
2,000 thermos.
Okay. Nice. Wow. So what's your electrical like for your alternator battery and all?
So we got 3 Magman 370s, but 2 of them I used them for the lithium, and the 3rd one is just on the truck on the AGM.
Okay. Sweet. Do you know your tunings on this?
Yeah, so the back is tuned around 28 hertz,
Okay.
and the front one I have it about 44.
Okay.
So I mean, it plays anything from like 18 hertz all the way to like mid 40s, high 40s really.
Yes, sir. And this voltage is reading 14.7.
So that's
One's
the
12.
lithium. That meter is kind of off today.
For the vehicle?
That's just the vehicle.
Okay.
I'm not charging a 14 volt.
Got it.
That's about a volt off right now.
Okay.
But yeah.
I just wanted to make sure I said on video so people don't think you're running that. Okay.
No, that's just the
The
truck.
AGM vehicle.
Yeah, that's
Got
just
it.
the AGM.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I mean, I'd love to hear it. Thank you for showing me the info and all. Very unique style that you split the port. Is there a reason you split it, or is there 2 chambers in this?
Yeah, it's two separate chambers. So it's like right on the middle.
Got it. Okay. So that's a smart idea to keep the bracing better too, or was there a reason you did that?
So with my past boxes before, I keep having the issue that if I blow a sub on either side, really,
Yeah.
usually that one sub that goes, the box is kind of too big for the rest of them. And,
Yes, sir.
And it usually takes more subs out with it. So with this one, I just have no issues, and like you say, for the bracing and everything,
Yes, sir.
it's just more solid. And plus, like if one of the amps decide to cut off or anything, like the other 3 subs, it still have the same space on the seal,
Yes,
on the
yeah.
seal side.
Yep.
So
Instead of splitting all 6 of them in one chamber.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Very good idea.
Si quieres que pase por ahí allá en la casa. Si quieres que pase por ahí allá en la casa tuya, porque ya no tienes que dar tanto.
And you said the amps are turned down?
Yes. I'm only clamping about, I believe it was 7,800 watts per amp.
Oh, okay.
So, just a little over 15K.
So around the clamped power rated for these subs.
Yeah.
Nice job. Wow. Yes, sir. All right. Love to hear it. you have another song you could play me? Something a little bit different, man, with maybe? If that's okay? That was pretty sweet. Awesome, man.
Slipping through the moon to the river bank. Wasn't very long, I was jumping in. I guess I'm still doing now what I was doing then. Chasing.
Kicker builds I've ever heard for the subs, man. These are pretty crazy. Wow.
Yeah, that ain't too bad.
Awesome. Oh, man. Awesome. Thank you very much.
Hey, man, no problem.
Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.